Feet closer, hands together in Namaskara Mudra placed at the center of the chest. Inhale, raise your arms up and bend backwards from the waist. Exhale and bend forward. Try not to bend the knees. Inhale, take your right leg back, right knee touching the ground, left foot placed between the hands. Exhale, take your left foot back, hold the body parallel to the ground. Inhale, touch the knees to the ground, go back, exhale and touch the forehead to the ground. Inhale, straighten your body, touch the chin to the ground, raise the hips up as you exhale. Inhale, raise your chin, chest and abdomen up, keep the elbows straight. Exhale and raise your hips up. Inhale, bring your right foot forward, place it between the hands, left knee touching the ground. Exhale and draw the left foot forward, forward bending. Inhale, raise your arms up and bend backwards. Exhale, join your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale, raise your arms up, bend backwards, feel the stretch in your shoulders, arms, chest and abdomen, compression in the lower back and hips. Exhale and bend forward. Feel the stretch at the back of the legs, compression in your abdomen. Inhale, take your left leg back, feel the stretch in the inner aspect of the thighs. Exhale, hold the body parallel to the ground, feel the tightening around the hips and in your arms. Inhale, touch the knees to the ground, exhale and touch the forehead to the ground, feel complete relaxation. Inhale, straighten your body, touch the chin to the ground, raise your hips up as you exhale. Make sure your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes are touching the ground. Tightening felt around the hips. Inhale, raise your chin, chest and abdomen up, elbows straight, compression felt in the lower back and hips. Exhale, raise your hips up, feel the stretch in your legs, arms and spine. Inhale, bring your left foot forward, stretch felt in the inner aspect of the thighs. Exhale, draw your right foot forward, stretch felt at the back of the legs, compression in the abdomen. Inhale, bend backwards, compression felt in the lower back and hips. Exhale, straighten your spine, feel complete relaxation. 1. Inhale and bend backwards. 2. Exhale and bend forward. 3. Inhale, take your right leg back. 4. Exhale, hold the body parallel to the ground. 5. Inhale and exhale. 6. Inhale and exhale. 7. Inhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale and bend backwards. 12. Exhale. Inhale in Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale in Pada Hastasana. Inhale Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale Santolasana. Inhale and exhale in Shashankasana. Inhale and exhale in Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale in Parvatasana. Inhale, bring your left foot forward, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, bring your right foot forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, in Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stand with your legs apart, hands together at the back. Keep your eyes closed. Observe the changes in your body after practicing the Surya Namaskar series. Through the 12 postures in each of the series, we have tried to work on all the muscles and joints in the body. You notice the breaths to be shallow. You can feel your heart beating faster. Circulation is improved. Muscles and joints feel heavier with the improved circulation. Mild throbbing is felt in different parts of the body with the improved circulation. Simply follow your breaths and notice the breaths getting deeper and slower gradually. Simultaneously, the heartbeats regain normal rhythm. Circulation is normalized. Muscles and joints in the body start to feel relaxed and lighter. Surya Namaskar is an energizing technique. Body and mind is energized positively with the practice. With the relaxation, you start to feel the energy. your mind and body. Slowly open your eyes. Release the hands from the back. Bring your feet closer.